Alright, let's step into the world of jet fighter pilots. Ever wonder what it really takes to go from your room to the cockpit of a multi-million-dollar fighter jet? It all starts hours before takeoff. A fighter pilot's day kicks off in their room, not just rolling out of bed and heading to the runway. Preparation. Pilots review weather reports, mission briefings, intel updates. They check flight plans, communication codes, possible threats. Every detail matters. Next, it's gear up time. Flight suit, G-suit, helmet, oxygen mask, survival gear. They double-check everything, because once you're in the air, you can't just pull over for a fix. Hydration and nutrition are key too. A quick balanced meal and plenty of water, because dehydration can hit hard at high altitudes. Now it's off to the squadron building for the pre-flight briefing. Here, pilots meet with their team, go over tactics, clarify their roles. There's a mental checklist too: focus, composure, readiness. Then it's out to the flight line, walking with purpose, helmet in hand. At the jet, the ground crew and pilot run through a meticulous pre-flight inspection. Every switch, every bolt, every system, it all gets a final look. Only then does the pilot climb into the cockpit, strap in, and run through the startup sequence. The cockpit is a world of its own. Dials, screens, switches, and the stick. What do pilots need most up there? Situational awareness. The ability to process a mountain of information, make split-second decisions, and stay cool under pressure. That, and trust, in their training, their jet, and their wingmen. After the mission, landing isn't the end. Back at base, pilots debrief with their team. They break down every move, every call, learning from what went right, and what could have gone better. Only then do they finally head back to their room, unwind, and get ready to do it all again. So next time you see a fighter jet streak across the sky, remember, it's not just about flying fast. It's about discipline, readiness, and relentless attention to detail, every single step of the way.